Hey you guys, it is me and Trinity coming live. I am going to try something new today. Let me get my paints mixed up real quick and I'll be right back at you. Okay, so still me and Trinity. She's over here eating her animal crackers. I'm going to try to run through this really quickly because I only have like 12 minutes of recording time left on my memory. I've got to delete some recordings. I'm using Anita's black, Anita's white, Apple Barrel yellow flame, Anita's silver, Anita's bronze, Anita's classic gold, metallic white, Apple Barrel melted chocolate, Anita's red. And what I'm going to do today is I may make a huge mess, but if I do, we'll all get a good laugh together. I'm using a triple cup pour, but I have them taped together, so I'm going to be like consistent with my pour. The black spots that you see on the canvas is where it's a paint over, but I still had some pink coming through from where I used ink, or actually it was dye from folk art, and it just won't go away. So I covered it up with the black. I mean, even after painting over it with spray paint, it would not go away. It came through that. So I put black over it in hopes that it will disappear. I'm going to go ahead and layer these in the cups. I'm going to be consistent with my layering. I've got my paint pretty thin. I'm using Floetrol, and I was about out of Floetrol, so I had to put a little bit of water in my Floetrol, which is fine because I end up having to add a little bit of water to my paint anyway to get it to the right consistency that I want it as far as thickness. So as you can see, it's pretty thin, which is fine. I didn't add any more silicone to the paint. I've already got silicone because I was using some leftover of my last pour from my silver, and no, I'm sorry, not my silver, but my bronze. There's a little bit of silicone in the bronze. And I'm going to add probably 3 drops of silicone to my yellow. And the silicone that I use is Swiss Navy silicone lubricant. And it was $12.99 for this bottle right here. It's 2 ounces, but it really is like 99% dimethicone, so it's really good stuff. And actually, I'm not going to put any silicone in the actual paint itself. I'm going to wait and put it in my cup. So next goes the yellow. And I'm hoping you guys can see this pretty well. Are you eating your crackers? Right now I'm going to put my drop in. I'm just going to put 1 drop. I'm going to go with some silver. I'm going to move this out of the way just for a second so you guys can see how I'm pouring this. So I don't end up dropping it from the weight. Okay, I'm going to go with copper next. I'm sorry, bronze. And you can see the cells in it from where it's got the silicone in it from before. Alright, I'm going to go with some chocolate. Trinity heard chocolate. She's like, huh? Huh? You want some chocolate? Huh? Huh? Chocolate? Chocolate. That is my girl. Mimi's girl. Mimi. May. I don't know where May just came from. She always says Mimi so well. Trinity. Trinity. No, it's because she has her fingers in her mouth. Trinity. Trinity. I'll throw some gold in. I really need to get some more paint. I'm gonna put some black in. And now we're going to do a little bit more white down the center. You know, you got to do the sound effect or it doesn't count. It's falling to the bottom, which is exactly what I want.
Right.
Okay.
Take a bite.
Get all this stuff out of the way. Alright, how are we doing on time here? We've got about 5.5 minutes left. So, get this show on the road. Alright, here we go. Let's see, I'm going to tilt it. Get over there. Oh, I got 2 cups, that's why. Water was not level. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Okay, I can see already my middle cup's going to pour from the first 2, so I got to get that evened out there. There we go. Again, this is purely experimental here. Never done this before. Just trying out something new. Start right there. That looks pretty cool. Level her up. Well, ain't that pretty? What you think, Trinity? Is that pretty? Is it pretty? Pretty. Pretty. Looks really cool. Got my yellow popping out. Alright, I'm gonna come on this. Alright, let's try this again. I got to interrupted with a phone call. Sorry, you guys, for my head's in the way. I get this last little bit of paint out of here. I can't even see my circles. I'm just going in a circular motion. Okay. Now, wow, got some pretty cool selling going on. I'm gonna get my heat done. throw some heat on it real quick, and then we'll spread her out and see what it does. I really like these cells right here. That was awesome. I'm loving the color combination over here. And over here is really cool too. I like that chocolate. Chocolate's really pretty. The chocolate is really pretty. See? Do you see it? Is it pretty? Trinity's like my #1 fan. She always tells me my work is pretty. I really don't want to lose that right there, but see if we can just get it to the edge a little bit. Oh, I'm just talking to the camera, Trinity. Okay, so I ran out of recording time a while ago. Sorry about that. I pretty much pushed it as far as I want to push it as far as spreading it out, because the more I move it at this point, the more I'm going to break up my cells, and I really don't want to do that because these are really some of the biggest cells I've ever seen. But it's really cool. I'm happy with it. I'm going to throw the heat gun on it one more time and just see what excitement it brings. If any. So my favorite parts are the yellow. I really like the yellow. Love, let me take my phone down so you guys can see. Love that right there. The chocolate is beautiful. Really liking the white cells. Shh, you're being so loud. You're being so loud. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Say hi. Mimi. Okay, I'm done, and then I'll get you down. Oops, I'm in my light. I like that. If it would focus. If it would focus. Let's see. Here, I've got something for you. Hang on. Now, I'm not going to say that it's good to bribe kids. However, gummy crawlers seem to work pretty well. Is that good, Trinity? Uh-huh. You got to chew on it, silly. Alright. Let's see if I can get the lighting. Gosh. It's really too bright in here. I really love that. You'll be able to see it better once it dries. It won't have that glare on it. But I would say overall, that experiment was a success. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, all my artwork's for sale. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, And please share me. I'd really appreciate it. Anybody that shares my post at this point this month on my YouTube, I'm going to be entering for a drawing. Right now I'm going to do a drawing on Sunday. So, like it, share it. Make sure you comment that you shared it. Otherwise, I won't know that you've shared it. And if we are not friends on Facebook and you're not able to share it, send me a friend request. I'll be glad to accept your friend request so you can share the video or whatnot. I thought you could share it regardless, but I had a lady the other day that said she couldn't share it because we weren't friends and it was a public post, so I'm not sure. But, anyway, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of my paintings, just send me a message. I'll be glad to talk with you about it. And kind of looks like a giraffe right there. See its eyes. But, y'all have a great day.